Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving you something a little bit different, but I recently went on holiday and I thought I would just show you how I manage my curly hair abroad, what I'm doing when I get out the pool, what I'm doing on the beach, and just the reality of my curls on holiday in the moment, exactly what I do. I've got loads of tips and tricks for you, so let's get into it. So it's day one, morning, going for breakfast and exploring. I just wanted to put my hair in this half updo. It's really easy with a silk little black scrunchie and a really cute green headband, which is satin, I believe, all on Amazon. Everything will be linked in the description. And that spray you saw me putting on to prep my hair is actually the Curlsmith Miracle Shield, but I just put it in a travel bottle, and it's brilliant at protecting you from UV rays, from pool water like chlorine, seawater, so many things, and it's got some protein in it. And yeah, we just had a really lovely morning. We just arrived the night before and we were just exploring the little town. Then we decided to explore some local beaches, so I packed my Miracle Shield, a silk scarf, a microfiber towel, my Paula's Choice SPF 50, and this funny little umbrella that you can stick on your phone so you can see what you're texting when you're in sunlight. And then I did this little beach curly hairstyle. I tied my hair on top of my head with that black satin scrunchie, and then I folded a silk scarf into a triangle. Then with the long side, the base of the triangle, I put that to the nape of my neck. Then I wrapped the ends at the front and tied it there, and then wrapped them around the back and tied it twice at the ponytail, and this really helps keep it in place. You can then take that silk scrunchie out if you want, or leave it in, and I just think it looks so cute, and it keeps your hair off your face and it preserves it because it's just like the silk on your hair. And then I used the Miracle Shield for some extra protection. Obviously, if you want your hair completely at bay, I'd suggest some braids or a bun, but I just found this so stylish. And I didn't actually end up getting my hair wet, so this really helped me out in the evening, but that style really protected my hair and my hair needed no refreshing. I wanted to do something really simple but stylish for dinner and drinks, so I just put my hair in a side part and used this mini claw clip to keep one of the sides up. This stayed in all night and I thought it looked so cute and it was so easy. And now it's day two, morning, and we just wanted to get some breakfast and chill before we go to the beach. And I woke up, my hair looked not too bad, to be honest, and I just wanted to tame a little bit of the frizz. So I just put on this curl cream. I just smothered it all over the frizzy areas and just kind of scrunched it and smoothed it in. And this is actually the Aussie Work That Curl cream, which I transferred into a little travel bottle, just like the Miracle Shield. Because my curls looked okay, I just thought I'd do a simple hairstyle. I decided to do another half up, half down. I just love these hairstyles, they're so easy. And I just gathered the hair like you see. I left a little bit down at the front, like just 2 strands. And then I got my little scrunchie and then I tied it into like a ponytail. And then what I did is got this medium size claw clip, which is from Only Curls, and I just put it in the middle of the pony, which gives this like kind of elevated look and makes it look a little bit more voluminous, and thought it looked pretty cute. And you know, just went about the day and chilled, went for breakfast. And I remember being so tired this morning and I was like, can I please have a large latte, and I just need to get some energy. And there were so many cute cats, by the way. Yeah, I needed that energy. Anyway, we get to the beach and then I decided to put on the Miracle Shield again, and I wanted to show you this really cute hairstyle which is so easy, which doesn't have to be worn at the beach, but it's a silk scarf tied at the front like so, and then wrapping the ends around the pony at the back, and it just creates this really cute, effortless, well, not completely effortless, but it's pretty easy. You need to try it out, and it just looks so cute for the beach, for whenever really. And now it's evening and we're going for dinner and drinks, and my hair's definitely looking frizzier now. You can kind of tell it's had a lot of product on it, but I'm still going in with more curl cream because I've not got time to wash it right now and I just want to enjoy my holiday. So I decided to do one of my favourite hairstyles, which is plaiting these 2 bits at the front, tying them together and then wrapping them over the hair, and I leave some bits out the front to give it more of a whimsical look. And how cute is that? I was so impressed because it's just so simple and I just loved how it looked. And guys, this night got a little out of hand. Without giving too much information, yeah, I was hungover the next day, and you can now tell on my face. But that's what holidays are all about, having fun, you know. As I've gotten older, I just one wine and I'm done. No, not one wine, but you know. So then I went in with more Miracle Shield, surprise, surprise, and I was not feeling great. I had a little bit of a headache and I really needed some food. I just did this really simple, started off with a ponytail, and then I got my big claw clip, which is from Primark, and I put it at the base of the pony and just let the hair hang down. And I mean, it looks fine, right? I quite liked it. By this point, I had gone in the pool, dunked my head in, and I was feeling a lot better, but I had to wash my hair by then because I had a lot of product build up. And I had obviously pool water and stuff, and I needed the refreshing shower. So I cleansed my hair with the E45 shampoo, which is brilliant at cleansing and good for a dry scalp. And then I went in with the Curlsmith Postbiotic Calming Conditioner, which gives this minty, tingling sensation, brilliant for scalp care and ends care. It helps you detangle the hair. I leave it on the scalp for 3 minutes and it just it's just amazing. I can't even explain. I've gone through so many bottles of this stuff, guys, honestly. By this point, I was feeling extremely tired and realised I have no energy to style my hair. And all I could do is find this t-shirt on the side. I didn't even know where my microfiber towel was, and I just put my hair up in that. And I decided to have a nap because I just couldn't handle it. Woke up from my nap and my hair dried completely in the towel, and it was nice and fluffy, I'd say. And I just left it and put it in a half up. I put no product in, and you know what? Didn't even mind it. By this point, I just couldn't even be bothered, but was starving. Day 4, I wanted to make the most of this day. I was feeling so much better. I wanted to put some Miracle Shield in my hair to add a bit of definition back, if anything, because my hair was so fluffy and undefined from just leaving it. I never normally sleep in wet hair, by the way, but I was out of it. Anyway, this actually really helped. I think the protein in the Miracle Shield kind of put a bit of the curl back in my hair. And I just put that all over, smoothed it down. I didn't really know what we had in store for today, so I just went with a trusty half up, half down do, and I just tied that with the little black silk scrunchie and went in with my green headband as well from Amazon. And yeah, I mean, my hair wasn't looking like amazing, but do you know what? I'm on holiday. I'm just chilling. It doesn't really matter what my hair looks like too much. And I was happy with it. So yeah, went for breakfast. I really, really needed a massive latte with oat milk and was just enjoying that in the sun. And I forgot to mention, but we actually had to move rooms because we had cockroaches, which is lovely. Obviously I'm joking. It was terrifying. I don't like cockroaches at all. I mean, who does like them? And then we decided to explore and go to the beach, and I put my hair into a messy bun on the top of my head and just put this like black headband at the front, so I didn't need to worry about the little frizzies at the front. And because we're real on this channel, we got back and I was feeling so ill, but I thought we were going to go for dinner and I thought it'd be fine by then. Also, look at my face. I was really unimpressed with this hairstyle, but it eventually kind of fell into place. I felt so ill, we couldn't go for dinner, so I went to bed. Day 5, I was feeling so much better. I really had a new lease of life. What I did was go in with my curl cream, which is the Aussie Work That curl cream. I'm just raking it all over, brushing that through. By the way, I just washed my hair before this with the same products as the other day, the E45 shampoo and Curlsmith conditioner. And now I'm just going through with Miracle Shield all over my hair, and I'm doing some easy upside down brush styling, which is flipping my hair over, taking the brush and lifting the hair up over the scalp. And this kind of is like a really quick version of the flip section method without the sections basically. And it still came out just as nice. And I just wanted to do a really quick routine here. I scrunched it and then I flipped side to side to kind of help the curls come back down, and just shaking it out the root a bit. This literally took like 5 minutes. It was so quick. And by the way, guys, I didn't diffuse my hair this whole trip because the sun just dried them for me. And this is me now going for breakfast and to the pool for a bit. And yeah, I let my hair air dry on the pool, and the curls were curling. Like, they looked so defined. And I was loving how they were looking, to be honest. And it just felt like such a low effort wash day. You can see them here like proper bouncy. And then I put my hair up in this like cute scarf style, which I showed you earlier. And I just loved how this looked. So yeah. And then we went to the most amazing dinner place in the evening. It was stunning. This is how I did my hair. So I did a half up, half down, but I put the front bit away, and then I put the pony forward and put a clip underneath, and it gave it so much volume and just elevated the look. Then with this front section, I just put a middle parting and slicked those bits of hair to each side and left 2 little bits down to give it more of a whimsical look. And I just thought this looked so nice and really didn't take much time at all. And here are some of the pictures. It was honestly the most stunning restaurant with a lovely view, really good wine, amazing food, probably the best meal of the trip. And this is me afterwards, after eating everything. Next day, day 6, this is the morning, and I was just having a coffee here. For this look is pretty simple, as you can see. I just literally shoved my hair in a bun with a headband on. And when I got back, we were actually going to a water park this day, so I just wanted to make sure that my hair wasn't going to get stuck on the slides or anything, so I just braided my hair. This is really hard to describe to you guys how to Dutch braid if you don't already know. Maybe I'll try and explain in the future, but this was amazing, this water park. We absolutely loved it. When I got back, I just wore the same style and just sort of re-wet those bottom bits and left those out, and I thought it looked really cute. And we just explored, and then early evening I came back. We had a little bit of time before dinner, and my scalp was feeling a bit itchy, so I put some oil in and left it a bit too long, meaning I didn't have enough time to wash it. So I did this really cute style, which you can do on greasy hair or just oiled hair. I took away the front section, and I'm just basically slicking all of the rest of the hair back into a ponytail with that silk scrunchie. I took some gel and slicked the sides back, and I took the pony like that, put a big claw clip in, and I just thought it looked so cute. And then I did the same with the front section like I did on the last hairstyle. Took some gel, slicked the hair back with a few bits out at the front, and I'm just using like bobby pin type grips there. I thought this looked really cute, and it was so easy. So it's a great option, like if you don't have time to wash your hair and you need to get out. And here's a few pictures. This was our last evening. It was an amazing sunset and immaculate vibes, basically. Gin and Hendrix in hand, obviously. And day 7, the last day, we just explored the area and we ate some really nice food. And then we went back to the hotel, waiting for the taxi to the airport. It went so quickly, but I loved every minute of it. And I really hope you found it helpful seeing how I did my hair on my holiday vacation. If you found it helpful and enjoyed the video, please like it and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more curly content from me. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.